Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how we can adjust the brightness and contrast in CapCut video. Let's get started. Here I have imported my video to CapCut, and the first thing we are going to do is just click on adjust button right here. Then since we want to adjust the brightness and the contrast, we can click on the first thing we have to click on brightness. Then if we want to increase the brightness, we can go right like this, but if we want to reduce the brightness, we can go left. And I'm just going to reduce the brightness. And the second one, we are going to adjust the contrast, so just click on the contrast button, then we're going to go right or we can go left. And I'm just going to increase the contrast like this, and after we are done, we can click on this check mark. Okay guys, and let's have a look at the result. So just play the video. Alright guys, and that's how we can adjust the brightness and contrast in CapCut video. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.